Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a unboxing from Games Workshop. So this will be a Warhammer 40,000 related video. So this is how the box came. I have to mention that if you live in Europe and if you order directly from Games Workshop and if you order stuff for more than 50 euros, then the shipping cost is free. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so the main video will be probably about this book. I also did order the 3 White Dwarf magazines that were available on the site, because I could not get them here locally and from my dealer. So they are basically Warhammer magazines. If you don't know about White Dwarf, a monthly based release, and you can find lots of interesting articles and stuff about new things from Games Workshop. So if you like, you can check them out. But this is the main interesting thing here. So this is the Black Library Solar War book 1. So if you don't know anything about Black Library, if you are one of my subscribers, they are here for the knives and gear related stuff that I try to share with you. One of my another passions, that is Warhammer, and the book series that is released from Black Library are finished only I would say a few months ago. So they have released 54 books in the Horus Heresy series. So they are big novels, and the final stage of this story, which is the Siege of Terra, of course, for those who know, the big battle, they will release a few books. I don't know the exact number, 4 or 5, but this one was the first. So how the Games Workshop is handling this situation around this big event. So they released, or they will be releasing limited editions. So I suggest this is my number, so 1706 out of 2050. As you can see, they're really nicely packaged, so no damage can come to this book. So obviously the limited edition is hardback or hardcover. Usually they will release also a standard edition in hardback, and sometimes later also in softback for your price reduction. So you have gilded pages. The Solar War by John French. Nice picture. A bridge on Terra, signed by John French. And yes, this is the number. I was correct. There is the art. Rogaldorn, the Primarch of the Imperial Fists. And also a few other characters. So here are the chapters. Oh, sorry, these are the books. Yes, these are the books. So here you can have a glance. What are the name of the books? And I have to mention that, if I'm not mistaken, this is the order how they were released, not how they're supposed to be read, because you have a lot of intertwined stories that are jumping all around these numbers. So there should be a guide on the Black Library, how to, in what order to, if you want to go the non-spoiler route, but I couldn't find it, but there should be one in the next White Dwarf magazine. And also, if you like, from a fan community perspective, you can visit a French site. I'm not remembering the name, but if you type in the Google Horus Heresy non-spoiler order, so you should find a picture. It's a large picture with a diagram where you can see that yes, after book 1, 2, 3 they are in order. Then you have book 4, and then you should jump whatever line of stories you would like to read. You have the Space Wolves storyline. Then of course the Thousand Suns, and so on. You have also some novels, and you have 54 books. But then of course you have a lot of novels, so short stories, sorry, and also audio dramas. And if I'm not mistaken, probably not, because I do listen to these books. You have all of them. You have also as an audiobook. You can purchase them as audiobook, so you can listen to them while on commute to work, yes, of course, or just during the day or during work if you can. Okay, so some informations, and I will obviously not show the whole book, because then the video will be really long and boring. But here is the start of the book. So we have N31, so this is the 31 millennium, which the story is situated in. So this will be the Warhammer 30k, also known as Horus Heresy. Some character pictures so you can better imagine how they look. And we are starting here. So the Dwarf, and so on. There should be a page marker. Yes, it is here. Let's see if something is marked. No. Looks like Rogaldorn is battling Greater Demon, probably. Yeah. So we have a page count of 407, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, so 413 pages. It's a really nice, beautiful book. Sadly, they were sold out in mere hours from release. So if you want one, probably the best luck would just go on eBay and search for them. Probably some will sell these books there because they are really nice and highly collectible, and only 2,500 were made. Okay, so this was just a brief unboxing and review. I don't know when I will have time to read this because I'm still at the early stages of the series. So if you have any questions regarding the hobby, this book, or Warhammer in general, just leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply, and I will answer as best as I can. So thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.